Introduction about this course. Let us start by understanding the course content, the various sections, and the desired outcomes. The first section will be about exploring Google Mobility Data. What is Google Mobility Data? How do we obtain this? And more importantly, how can we use this to create our dashboard? We will then be building various worksheets. These will be various views that represent portions of the data. We will combine these worksheets into a single interactive dashboard. We are going to align them. We're going to make sure that it is as perfect as it can be. We will create a mobile dashboard layout so that you can view the dashboard in your web browser, in Tableau, and on a mobile device, and the data will be readable and easily accessible. In this course, there will be a heavy focus on formatting, as for me, this is what makes the difference between a professional dashboard and something that looks like it's coming from someone who is just starting their journey in Tableau. That extra attention to the pixel perfect formatting for an amazing output. Throughout the course, we are going to build several worksheets. We are going to explore, in the course of building those worksheets, several different Tableau techniques. We won't dwell on them too much, but hopefully it will whet your appetite and let you know what is the art of the possible. And then finally, throughout the whole course, you will be following my end-to-end process for developing a Tableau dashboard. So this is what this course is. Hopefully you'll find it informative, interesting, and if anything, by the end of the course, you'll have a very good looking Tableau dashboard. So I hope you're excited, so let's get started.